How to disable suggested contacts when sharing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. On this page, scroll down until you find the Suggestions section. Here, you will find several options for where Siri can make suggestions. You can turn off any of these suggestions by tapping the toggle switch next to them. Tap the toggle next to Show when sharing to disable it, and Siri suggestions will no longer appear when you share content. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily disable Siri suggestions on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.